DeepSeek versus ChatGPT is a trending topic these days. We are going to compare how they both can write a PyMOL script to visualize ligand receptor interactions. First, we asked ChatGPT to write a PyMOL script to download the PDB structure with the code 3ELM and then visualize the ligand-protein interactions. As you can see in the results, it attempts to show all interactions, which doesn't make sense, and presents the bonding pocket as a surface. Let's see what DeepSeek will do. Basically, DeepSeek did something similar, but in terms of coloring, it performed better without any guidance from us. Then we asked ChatGPT to only show the hydrogen bond interactions. But it wasn't successful on the first attempt, and in this video, we didn't try to fix it. However, DeepSeek was able to provide a reasonable view by visualizing only the hydrogen bonds. There are still a few issues, though. For example, DeepSeek only shows the distance between heavy atoms and does not include polar hydrogens. In this particular case, we achieved better results with 2 attempts using DeepSeek. Support us by liking and subscribing to our channel.